Welcome back for another repair. Today we will be working on a Nintendo Switch Joycon, which I purchased off of eBay, supposedly fully working, and it's in great shape. But if I could show you, let's just go ahead and plug it on here. I'll wake this switch up. This is the first one I fixed. The first switch I fixed, I kept it for myself here. And if I plug this on, it is detected. That's good. But if I go into, where is it? I think it's in system settings is where we can actually check whether or not a controller is working properly. Test input devices, just controller buttons. So if I go through these, make sure I'm in the shot here. Y, X, A, B. There's the plus symbol. Pushing on that button. There's that Z right, and then this button. This, can't remember what it's called. It may just be called right. Yeah, that one's called left. So this is just called right. Does not work. That's the only problem I can find with this thing. The button. One thing that worries me, I thought maybe, I know these buttons sometimes break loose internally. They break loose from the circuit board internally. But I think I feel the click, the tactile feel of a button being pressed. So this may not be that simple, because it does feel like it's moving a button. So let's get into it and see what's going on with this little Joy-Con. Well, the way these things are made, you can get to this, what they would call Z right or Z right. You can get to that button pretty easily. It's right here, but the this one, this right button, is under another layer, so I'm going to have to, I guess, pull the battery out, pull the battery tray out to get to that button. That button, I guess, is actually mounted on the main printed circuit board. Well, we are down to the point we can actually see what's going on here. Try to get you a good shot of this. Here is this little micro switch, and there's part of the metal bracket for it sitting right here. So it has come apart, and I've never tried to take one of these off. It is a little surface mount job. So we're going to try to remove that thing, or I need to look at it under the microscope and see if the contacts are broken loose, but it's seen better days. So maybe I'll get a shot under the microscope. Okay, well, here we are looking under the microscope. See if we can get a close-up view of how this button looks. Well, the contacts don't look to be broken. I'll take that back. Is that trace broken? What is that? Nah, maybe not. Let me. It's hard to tell. Or is it? Oh, I see now. The whole thing is just sitting there, barely holding on. Okay. So yeah, that could be a problem. There's still a little bit. These traces are still trying to hold on. That one's broken there. This one's broken in the middle, so we're going to need some jumper wires here. And and get that bracket back on this button. And of course that bracket provides all the mechanical strength to these solder points here on each side. So this should be fun. This is something different. Well, that reassembly took a little while. The little ribbons in these things are not fun. The little tiny connectors are easy to break. We are at the point of testing this, though. Let me get my switch. And let's see if we can wake this up. And see if we are recognized. We are. I guess I could just keep testing it right here. Hey, it works. Right. Z right. All right. And we are working. That wasn't too bad. I think that's a common problem on these Joy-Cons for that button. I guess people get really aggressive with it and push a little too hard to rip the button right off the board. Well, that's all for this one. I thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed it all, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.